Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Nidaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to view raw messages and poll headers in Yahoo Mail. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Chrome to log in your Yahoo account. And the next step ay kailangan lang natin i-open yung ating Chrome web browser. And then once nakapag-login ka na sa iyong Yahoo account, and then ganito yung makikita mo sa ating Yahoo homepage. And dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung Yahoo Mail inbox. So i-click mo lang yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa ating Yahoo Mail inbox. Kung paano ba natin i-view yung raw message ng every email. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-select ng kahit anong email dyan. Okay, so for example, select lang natin itong isang email. So once na-select mo na siya, and then dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then makikita mo dito yung mark as unread, star, block senders, filter messages like this. And susunod ito yung view raw message. And then kailangan mo lang i-click yan. At madadirect tayo dito sa ating Yahoo Mail raw message ng ating email. Okay? So kung ano ba ibig sabihin ng raw message? So view raw message, that means shows the raw code for the whole email. It consists of a series of required and optional text headers followed by a message body. Most headers consist of a token followed by a value enclosed symbol. Each header line ends with a combinations of characters. So you can copy it to a text editor such as Notepad for easier analysis. Okay? So pwede mo itong i-copy and then i-paste mo lang sa Notepad para sa mabilisang pag-analysis. Okay, so ganito yung makikita mo guys, mag-combination ng characters, numbers, and yung letters. Ito yung ibig sabihin ng view raw message. Alright, so ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to view raw message in Yahoo Mail. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.